Welcome to the video. Hope you guys been doing good during this time. I know it's been hard for most of us, but I need to make videos to get y'all through this hard time. So I've been trying to make the videos through this time, but since it started, my golf is actually at my father's friend's shop, and they don't allow people to be in there, so it's very hard to put out videos if you don't have a car to make the video on. So I'm trying to bring to you some content about the engine mounts, painting all the engine mounts in the car. I already started with the brake booster. The brake booster over there, it's already sprayed, so I'm gonna do this for y'all now, just to give out some content. Starting off with 180 grit sandpaper. And with the thinners. The paint can stick, and then I'm gonna mask it off. So then I can spray the high build primer. Yeah, that's fine.
This is MS Grey. You must throw in there, and this is a strong thing. This is a fast harder. So you make it dry.
Okay.
You must mix properly. You know when I crack with the heat. So.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more, and hope you are entertained by the content that I put out, and please become part of my family by subscribing to my channel. Thanks.